Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to break down one of the most debated topics in finance and wealth creation: trading versus investing. A lot of beginners ask, what is the difference? Which one is better? Should I be a trader or an investor? By the end of this video, you will have complete clarity on key differences, pros and cons of both, and which might suit you better. So stick around till the end. Let's start from the basic. Investing is putting money into assets like stock, bonds, ETF, real estate, or some even consider crypto for long-term investing, usually years, sometimes decades. The goal is to grow your wealth gradually through compounding, dividends, and capital appreciation. Trading, on the other hand, is short-term buying and selling. Traders usually make profit from the price fluctuations that happens in a day, week, or even in months. This can include day trading, swing trading, and option trading. One of the biggest differences is time horizon. Investors think long term. They hold their position for 5 years, 10 years, or even 20 years. For example, someone bought shares of Apple or HDFC Bank 20 years ago and they just held on to them, have seen massive growth. Of course, not every stock has the same growth. That's why investors choose index fund for long-term investing. Traders operate in shorter time frame. A day trader open and close position in minutes or in hours. A swing trader open and close position in few days or in months. The mindset is completely different. Patience versus speed. Now let's talk about risk and reward. Investing generally carry lower risk if diversified and invested for long term, despite of market movement. Think of Nifty 50 and S&P 500. They have consistently generated wealth for decades. Trading is higher risk because you are exposed to market moves, volatility, and market noise. Yes, the potential return can be higher, but study shows that most of the beginners lose money in trading. So investing is slow and steady growth, whereas trading is high risk, high reward, also high stress. Then skill required. So most of the people confused here. Investing need fundamental analysis. If you try to pick stocks, you also need to understand company earnings, balance sheet, macroeconomic trends, and most importantly, power of compounding. That's why it's better to go with no-brain index fund. On the other hand, traders use price chart to spot the patterns and trends, that is called technical analysis. They also use some indicators, for example RSI, MACD, as a tool to identify the patterns. Don't worry if these things new to you, we will cover this in our future videos. One mistake beginners make by thinking trading is very easy. Most traders lose money because they do not follow discipline, risk control, and emotional balance needed. Meanwhile, investing looks boring, but over time, it is proven to make people rich. Another huge difference is time commitment. Investors do not need to monitor the market every day. A long-term investor simply review their portfolio once in a month or in a quarter. Traders, however, consistently monitor the market. They have to track prices, manage their position, set stop loss, and adapt quickly to any news events. So if you have full-time job or business, then investing is much more practical for you. trading is time intensive and stressful and need full time commitment. Moving forward, cost and emotions. Let's not forget about cost and emotions. Investing is very negligible cost. You just need to pay for fund management fee, and if you go with the index fund, it is very minimal fee. Whereas in trading, even though go with the low cost broker, it add up your cost, brokerages, government charges plus slippages. And you know STCG is always more than the LTCG. Trading is stressful. You may feel fear, greed, FOMO, panic every day. Whereas investing is your patience and conviction. So the big question is, which is better, investing or trading? It's depend on you. If you have time, skills and have emotional control, then trading can work, but it requires years of practice. If you want grow your wealth steadily without any stress, then investing works well for you. You can also use hybrid approach where you can put 80 to 90% in investing and 10 to 20% for your trading. So to wrap it up, investing is long-term stable and compounding driven, and trading is short-term fast and risky but potential rewarding. The key is to know your personality, your goals and your risk tolerance before choosing. Now I would like to hear from you. Are you more of a trader or an investor? Drop your answers in comment. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with your friend who confused about trading versus investing. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.